Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to yet another episode with me, Rian, and today I'm going to take you shopping in Bandra with me. Okay, so we all know that in the lockdown I haven't really dressed up, I haven't worn a suit or a jacket. So I'm really waiting for travel to begin. Now that travel has begun, maybe the wedding season has begun, so I might have some events to attend. So I thought I'd get something nice. The safari jacket is a trending style of jacket and I decided to get one made for myself. So today I'm at HP Suits. My friend Hitesh who is a bespoke tailor. He does some of the most amazing stuff. I've got some jackets from him and I have ordered a safari jacket. So I want to actually know more about this safari jacket because I've never owned one. So I'm going to go in for the fitting today. It's already half ready. I'm going in for my first fitting and we're going to see what a safari jacket is and what it looks like. So join me. I'm here for my first fitting of the safari jacket. Is it ready, Hitesh?
Yes, Rian, it's right here. This is the safari jacket ready for the first fitting. And as we can see, it's a very relaxed pattern. You need not have a very extravagant travel plan for this. Even if you are going for a weekend getaway, you can wear this. Let's start with the fittings. How does this look to you?
I love it. I love it. And you know what? I'm glad that you convinced me to get this color because it's something that I don't really have a light grey like this. So I'm very happy. And yep,
the grey is really versatile, Rian. You can wear it in the day and in the evening.
Yeah.
We were also looking at a powder blue that would have restricted you to wear it only in the day.
But you know why? I think why this is also called a safari jacket is because of these kind of cargo pockets. So people wore those big safari jackets when they went out into
this was traditionally the pattern comes from a hunting jacket. Then it migrated to a safari jacket. And now it's come back as a modern jacket.
Okay. So shall I try it on?
Yes, of course. I'll request you to roll down your cuff.
Roll down my cuffs always. I don't know why I come like this every time to Hitesh's shop.
That's okay. You don't need to be formal until you're trying something.
And it's unlined?
Yes, it's completely unlined, completely deconstructed. The finishing will get better with all seamed pipe-ins. This is because it's in the trial stage. It's pretty raw.
So this is like, guys, this is like a raw version, huh?
Yeah.
So it's not completed. It'll take what, two more fittings?
One more fitting and then the finish.
Okay.
So 2 fittings in total.
Oops, sorry. Okay. So guys, for the record, when I spoke to Hitesh last week, I told him you have my previous measurements and like you can work with that.
Yeah. So this.
So how does it work? Does the jacket need to be left open or closed or what?
I'll tell you exactly how. Firstly, the safari is supposed to be a semi-relaxed fit. That doesn't mean it has to be baggy, but it has to be a little comfortable. I'll just show you. These will be 4 functional buttons.
4 buttons, okay.
Yeah.
Of which how many need to be fastened?
Only the middle 2.
The middle 2 need to be fastened. Okay, guys, if you're wearing a safari jacket, please don't put on all the buttons.
Never ever. If there are 3 buttons, only the top 2 need to be fastened. The bottom 2 can be.
So you're going to tighten it at the there. Okay.
So we'll not give it that much of a shape. What we'll do is we'll take an overall structure. We'll go all the way down till here.
Yeah.
And give it a very slight shape that you can see forming here.
Yeah.
We don't want to make it like a jacket where it's.
Also, I noticed that it's slightly longer than a regular jacket.
Yeah,
no?
it is.
Slightly
No,
longer.
but that has to be
Talk to me
corrected.
about the collars.
Yeah, the length has to be corrected. We will mark that out right away.
And what about the collar?
The collar is always again adapted from a safari jacket, like a traditional safari jacket. It's meant to be relaxed, open, and it's a single layer collar. It's not a double layer like we have with the felt on our regular jacket. So it's very light, very deconstructed, very comfortable, and it's meant to be. Even the sleeves won't have a lining in this.
Yeah.
It's meant to be completely comfortable and relaxed. So even if you.
So is there a rule for the length of the sleeve here? Like, you know, in a normal suit jacket, you know, let the shirt show a bit.
In a normal suit jacket, yeah. Even in this, the shirt can show. But what I would recommend is you should be able to do this with the shirt sleeve. Is turn both together and roll it up.
So you're going to give me this lining.
Yeah. So your shirt becomes your lining. There's no
wow.
lining in the sleeve.
Oh, there's no oh yeah, correct.
There's no
So
lining.
this is actually my shirt.
Yes.
So I just rolled up the whole thing.
Yeah. So
That's
if you-
really cool, guys. I'm going to show you how this is done. If you want to add like a nice, you just unbutton your shirt cuff as well and just roll it up, so you get a nice different color also.
Absolutely. And it becomes completely relaxed.
No. Okay, I'm not going to put it up any further, because it'll start looking messy.
Yeah. And the way to style it is get rid of the top and bottom button and just leave it a bit relaxed. Let me mark it with the pins at the back so we get a better idea about the shape and the cut.
So guys, I hope you guys can go and get yourselves a safari jacket. I think it's important nowadays, right? It's a cool trend to have a safari jacket, what say?
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's something
It is
nice.
becoming a wardrobe essential.
It's becoming a wardrobe essential. Thank you, Hitesh. I
Most welcome.
really
Anytime.
love getting all my stuff made from you. Guys, if
you.
you've liked this video and if you need any styling tips or anything, please leave a comment. Thanks to Hitesh as well. I'm going to leave his details in the description as well. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And you know, when this is finally delivered, I'm going to probably do a nice video on how to style the safari jacket.
Thank
or
you so
whatever.
much.
Thanks guys.
It's
See
a
you.
pleasure working with you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.